Have you ever reached the end of a long, exhausting day, promising yourself again and again that today I will finally improve my English, only to lie in bed scrolling on your phone or watching random videos and quietly ask, why am I still not confident speaking after all this effort? You are not alone. Millions of young learners wake up each morning with hope, sit down to study with determination, and yet, by nightfall, feel trapped in the same cycle of frustration, confusion, and self-doubt. Think about your daily routine. How often do you genuinely practice the language? Is it in a way that sticks versus simply collecting words, phrases, and grammar rules that never turn into real skill? Are you really engaging with English, or are you just staying busy, hoping that fluency will magically appear? This is exactly where Liza, a young woman just like you, once found herself. Every morning, she would wake up full of hope. She would open her notebook and write down 20, sometimes 30 new words, promising herself that this time would be different. She followed the right way, study hard, memorize more, and check off every item on her list. But those words felt heavy and disconnected. And when real-life moments arrived, like when a tourist walked into the cafe where she worked, smiling and asking a simple question, her mind went blank. Every word she had studied that day, every phrase she had rehearsed, vanished in an instant. Why does this happen? Because learning English the wrong way is like trying to build a house by collecting bricks without ever learning how to put them together. Liza realized something important that day. The problem wasn't her effort, was her method. She had been working harder, not smarter. Instead of the same routine, she decided to try something most learners ignore. She started learning English through stories. Not boring textbooks, but simple, meaningful stories she could understand, feel, and repeat. At first, she doubted herself. She began with short stories about daily life and emotions. Every day she listened carefully, multiple times, letting the words flow. She didn't stop to translate every word. Instead, she focused on meaning and connection. And slowly, something remarkable happened. The words stayed because they had context. They were part of a story, part of a feeling. It was as if her mind had been a dry garden. Suddenly, learning English no longer felt like a burden. It became alive, interactive, and enjoyable. Think about what you remember. Do you remember random vocabulary lists, or the story that made you laugh or feel inspired? Of course, it's the stories that stick. Liza realized another truth. Learning through stories wasn't just about listening, it was about living the language. When she cooked breakfast, she described the process. When she walked down the street, she narrated what she saw. At first, it was uncomfortable, but with time, confidence began to grow like roots digging deep into fertile soil. The girl who once froze during conversations was now speaking emphatically. Yes, but authentically, courageously, and consistently. Perfection is not the goal. Progress is confidence is built by taking action, even when you feel unprepared. Liza noticed her friends struggling to some memorizing rules without speaking, others in expensive, boring courses. They were stuck. And so Liza began sharing her approach. Small stories repeated daily, applied in real life, emotions connected to words. Let me ask you, now, are you learning English? Or are you just studying it? Are you building a skill that will serve you for life? Because time will pass anyway. Days will turn into months. And if nothing changes, fluency will still be a distant dream. But the future you imagine, the one who speaks with confidence, is already possible. It starts today with one story, one sentence. First, choose a short story that feels interesting. Listen carefully, multiple times. Repeat sentences aloud. Don't worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are the training wheels of fluency. Next, use the sentences in your life. Imagine yourself 6 months from now sitting in a cafe, laughing at jokes, responding naturally, feeling proud. Don't wait for motivation. Take action first. Don't wait for the perfect time. It will never come. If you are ready to start, then subscribe to this channel, follow this journey, and begin transforming your English today. Today is the day to take control. Pick your story, speak, repeat, apply, and watch your future self smile.